Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Chettinad mushroom curry. It's a simple dish. We can prepare this in around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's get started. First, let's dry roast the ingredients and make a masala powder for this gravy. For that, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 8 to 9 dry red chilies, add according to your taste. Add jeera, also called cumin, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon. I'm adding half an inch cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom and 4 cloves. Dry roast them on a medium heat for around 2 minutes. See that it doesn't get burnt. Let it cool down, then grind it into a powder. I have grind this into a powder. This is fine. Adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. This will give the dish a nice taste and aroma. You can use any oil of your choice. Add a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom, 1 clove, a small piece of stone flower, 1 bay leaf. Saute for 30 seconds. I'm adding few curry leaves, a handful of mint and coriander leaves. Again saute it for a minute. Also I'm adding small onion, also called shallots, 200 grams. Saute it for a minute. 2 green chilies. I'm using crushed ginger garlic. I've taken 6 cloves of garlic and half an inch ginger. This will give this dish a nice aroma. Saute it for a minute. Now let's add the masalas. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and the ground powder. Add all of it. Give it a good mix. Add little water to prevent burning. I'm adding mushroom 250 grams. And green peas half a cup. Mix all of this very well. Add 2 cups of water. Mix all of it nicely. Add salt as per your taste. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Mushroom peas curry is ready. Garnish it with some coriander and curry leaves. Do try this Chettinad mushroom curry. It's really good. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!